Okay, we're at the hotel. We're door dashing Freddy's frozen custard and steak burgers in Appleton. And yeah, I'm gonna notify you when the food gets here. Okay, the food is here. What I got was a Oreo shake. So I'm gonna unpackage it and try it. Okay, I got it unpackaged. Now I'm gonna.
So yeah, Dad has a smaller version of mine.
Let me grab a spoon to try it.
Where's my cake?
That sweet got a good flavor, and yeah, it's delicious. Okay, I got it all open. I'm gonna show you guys it, and yeah, here is the chili cheese dog. Here's the chili cheese fries, and here's the shake. I already tried the shake. Now it's time to try the fries. Probably gonna have my dad help. Okay, gonna try the fries. Got some. That's good. Okay, got the hot dog. Grabbing it out. Gonna try it.
Classifications. Strike class, air class, mystery class, underdog.